Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best fat tire electric bikes. Explore off-road adventures with power and style. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. SaiBAiKE 20-inch electric bike 1000W fat tire 48V 17.5i USA stock. The SaiBAiKE 20-inch electric bike boasts a powerful 1000W motor, fat tires, and a removable 48V/17.5Ah battery. Perfect for all-terrain adventures, it's in stock in the USA. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. E-bike for men 750W motor 20-inch fat tire 48V 17.5Ah. This electric bicycle features a robust 750W motor, 20-inch fat tires, and a 48V/17.5Ah battery. With hydraulic shock absorbers and a top speed of 45 km/h, it's ideal for mountain biking. At number 3. Electric fat tire bike retro 1000W motor DualShock. Embrace a classic aesthetic with this electric fat tire bike. Boasting a Bafang mid-drive 1000W motor and a DualShock design, it ensures a comfortable and enduring cross-country ride. This retro-inspired two-wheeler brings together style and performance for those seeking a unique and reliable electric biking experience. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Electric bicycle 20-inch 1500W 48V18 folding fat tire beach cruiser. This 20-inch electric bicycle features a 1500W motor, foldable design, and a 48V/18Ah lithium battery. It's a stylish beach cruiser with fat tires for an enjoyable electric motorcycle experience. At number 1. 1500W electric bike for adults removable fat tire 48V/20Ah. A high-powered electric bike with a 1500W motor and removable 48V/20Ah battery. Designed for all-terrain off-road adventures, this electric bike offers a thrilling and versatile riding experience.